14% on TRKA. It's having some trouble right here at this level. You can see previous wicks too, and these shorts here may be trying to pressure this down into the gap, and that might be their MO here. So let's see what we get, and don't be afraid to take and trim exposure at highs if you start to see weakness. So it looks like they're here, and I'd see anywhere below 265 with a decrease in this volume to the upside. You see that tape start to slow, they're going to get aggressive, I think. Said Facebook's curling up. I will tell you that that is earnings. If you're at a small account, you cannot expose yourself to high risk plays that you're not okay with losing, and you really shouldn't be okay with losing much. You don't want to lose you want to try and make small incremental gains, not small incremental losses.
November 64 Street, Delta Whiskey Alpha Charlie, TWAC.
Buyers stepping up here on TRKA. Let's see if we can get some coverage shorts here, especially at this 285 level. Today was a good day for sleeping in. Yeah. You know what most people's problem is too is being able to identify when to trade. Yeah, you can't get greedy on that one. And you know what causes that too is you see the way that it moved the day before, and that euphoria kind of spills over into the next day. Tesla was crazy. So I got left in the SQ. I was too focused on Tesla. Did you get caught in it? Wow, this is a real fight on TRKA. Big fight. They're going back and forth and watching it. Scaling in and scaling out. When you see, when you see a stock with high momentum and a great catalyst, and you have good targets ahead of you, and that's the trick is having a good target. A lot of people go into trades and they don't have targets. So I tell people is, like if you don't have a target, if to the upside, downside, whatever the case may be, then there's no use getting in the trade because you're gonna get caught. Disney's rebounding here. Stupid. Target has a really interesting setup. 5-minute pennant. Excuse me. Sorry guys. I'm live on YouTube. Link is um I'm in the
Excuse me. November 174 is active. Charlie Romeo Oscar and
I had to block that person. BKKT. I'm not sure. I have two monitors. Y'all are funny. There's TRKK or TRKA. Excuse me. There's Disney as well. Disney's pushing up. I'm not taking Disney right now. It's got no volume. Limit sell at $3. I want to take it to a new high, my boy. 315 was where I was hoping to take it. Sometimes it's buy the rumor, sell the news, Ryan. It's never to it's always good to take some profits. So if you're in in. Yeah, me personally, wow, 127 calls coming in on AMD right now. I don't know, man. Does AMD? AMD has earnings. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo, here we go on TRKA. Volume stepping up. Let's go, buyers. Get it. Inspira is making a wild setup right now. That was a good curl. But my setup, on something like Apple, if I was to take Apple and I was to set up some type of straddle on it, and within my risk, knowing that it could open flat and my position could go to zero, and not being able to move on the next day without having that pit in your stomach. That's when you should know. That's your sign. But with Apple, my targets are very clear to the upside. To the upside on Apple, I have a target, and I really wish that this thing would just go away. There we go. No currency. I don't need it. 160. Top of my standard deviation channel has Apple up at 160. The bottom of my deviation channel has it at 135. And so that's my targets, both to the upside and the downside, which means that when I'm selecting if I was to set up a straddle or a strangle, well, strangle different, but if I was to set up something like that, I would probably grab a 140 put and, a 155 or 160 call. And obviously knowing that it's probably too late now. I haven't looked at the chain. But if the IV is pumped up on those, I need to go. Usually I'll go further out of the money or further out in expiration. But that's where the risk comes in. Is you don't want to see an IV crush on contracts like that. INNN is definitely getting seeing a little bit of pullback here. Disney is pushing up though. There's TRKA, $3. I think 315's on the way. SPY is getting pulled. We're pulling back on SPY. Remember my level, 356.50. There's TRKA, three. There it is. So little profits right there. I think there's room to leave some runners here. It's got more juice. Um, I think I'm gonna leave. For me, I like maybe 25% of my position here with I mean I would set my stop 280. No, well, Jesus, right when I said that. Um, yeah, shorts are likely to attack here. That's hopefully you get a breakout retest, but maybe profit. Maybe that's all of us. Buyers stepping up though. I'll leave a little bit, but it hit my target, so um I'll hold it and see what after hours does on it. If after hours goes well, I'll add to it. Sorry guys, if you guys wanted to I can see your conversation. If you guys hit, I'm gonna do earnings after hours, so you can hit the link in the bio. If you want to join us on YouTube, and that's where I can see comments a little bit better. I'll change the um so 280 is actually likely where you're gonna see a retest here. Let's see what it builds. But I already see that's a good place to TP, yo. We had a target of 315.
cashier list.
Not bad.
Fresh grocery stores by 2023. That's out from Michael Zulu November AMCN.
AMZN is having, whoa, what? I don't know why he said that. I was like, what is that? Um, man. I wonder if you'll be able to buy shares in robots that work at like companies. And I don't know. It's probably gonna be so fun. I know that. I is the way he said it that like I'm telling you, the way that he abbreviates things to like I don't know why, like Alpha Papa, Lemur, Banana Peel, like the man has me my brain like, what are you talking about? I don't speak in that. I would say Airbnb. Are you? Does it have Airbnb? Airbnb looks good, but earnings is coming up, so going long on Airbnb is going to be a risk unless you have something set up. That's on November 3rd. I could see Airbnb from here going to 176 in anticipation of earnings, but that would likely happen above 173.65 with good volume. So, um, oof, man. All right. Well, TRK. Oh, dude. Death. I just held on to my foot, man.
CBA Economy Bank Corp files for a big shelf up to $150 million. That's Charlie Bruggle out in November.
What the? All right. Putty, HUDR, that one's making a weird new high there. WBX. Eyes on WBX, actually. Nice little, do you guys see that right there on my 1 minute chart here? Look, check this out. I like that. I like these little setups. Often you can find them here on like the 1 minute chart and stuff like that. But hold on 1 second. See. All right, so if it rejects here, it drops down to 1550. But if it breaks out above 17, actually, let me call it 17. I think that we'll see a leg up. Let me go look at the 5. Oh, yeah, give that some time. Uh, yeah, but I'll be doing the aftermarket. Oh, nice, dude, you made 150 bucks on TRK. Nice job, dude. Look at that. Yeah. No news. Let me go Google it, or let me go look it up. You said ITRM. No, that came in at 227. No company specific news. I can't believe we've lived to see the day that Roblox and Chipotle have a partnership. That's lit. ITRM. What does it normally do? Is this a pumpy dumpy? Hold on a second. You know what? People might be trying to go push for that gap. It's got a gap to fill, 95 cents. It's low float. I got to be honest with you. Swing trades right now in the middle of earnings season are going to be a little bit weird. Guys, we have SPY. That's exact. Do you guys remember what I was talking about? How that bear flag set up? We got a wick up, fake out, 157.50, which was the mark I was saying we needed to clear. And now we're going to go ahead and pull back, and everything is. But if you'll notice that Disney is holding a bull at the moment is holding a bullish divergence from the market. Hey, we're gonna cover all earnings today, so it's gonna be a yo. What is this? I'm sorry. Benzinga just put out an article. It just oh my god, I gotta screenshot this so you guys believe me. Yo, look at what Benzinga just put out. Look in live trading chat, guys. Perfect time to double down on a short position. Huh? What? Um, but if I could see a pullback on ITRM, I might grab something, but I would. It's ran so hard. I want to see like a retracement to like 67 cents or something from here anyway. Target dumpy. SEAE. Um, that um, that oh SEAE. SEAE. SEA. When is earnings? Okay. Ooh. All right. This is tempting. I might have a swing trade. I might have a swing trade as long as we don't have earnings. When is earnings? Okay, November 4th. All right, 1 second. Oh, it's 4 o'clock. Jesus. Never mind. I was gonna say Airbnb once 180 calls potentially for just the run up tomorrow, but we can still take that. I think I'm okay. After hours though is in INN. Alrighty. Sorry, Android. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get earnings going. Microsoft. It's gonna be
LBC, Luther Burbank, reporting their earnings and proposing a dividend. Lima Bravo Charlie, 48
I
cents
see you dump.
earnings for Luther Burbank.
We gotta start at
LBC, the estimate was 40 cents, so that's a beat. CRTX halted for news, Charlie Romeo Tango X-ray.
BRPM. Kinda curl. Kinda not really much there. Sia though, rushing shorts and after hours. That one just got big old wake up. Yeah, you can try. You can trade SPY.
TXN Texas Instruments reporting $2.07. Tango X-ray November, TXN. The estimate for Texas Instruments was $2.05. MSFT Microsoft $2.71.
All right, where's my price target?
Foxtrot Tango.
What did I say? Hold on, before this thing rips into outer space, if it does, my target is 125.
Was $2.07.
That's the upside. To the downside, 3 hundo.
Is a beat for Michael Sandy Foxtrot Tango, MSFT.
I'm tweeting all this out too, so.
Microsoft spiking $313 at the high.
Yep. Let's go.
Microsoft reporting Surface revenue down 17%, LinkedIn revenue up 42%, Windows OEM revenue up 10%. That's MSFT Microsoft. Michael Sandy Foxtrot Tango reversing now, pulling back a bit. For Microsoft, Hawaiian Holdings.
Pour one out for Microsoft.
Loss of 95 cents. The estimate was a loss of $1.33, so it's more loss than expected for Hotel Alpha. Revenue $508.8 million is ahead of estimate for Hotel Alpha Hawaiian Holdings.
SPY's about to go to 455. Let's see if Microsoft takes a dump. It just rejected that 313 mark that I gave you guys last week, which that was crazy.
PHAT, Fathom Pharmaceuticals, announcing proposed public offering of 5 million shares of common stock. That's Papa Hotel Alpha Tango.
Someone just bought a lot.
PHAT, HOOD, Robinhood. First Alphabet reporting $27.99. DOOGL, $27.99.
For the number. Yo, Hood is about to go and smash. $35. Here we come.
For Google or Alphabet.
33.34. Bye bye. Look at Microsoft. Negative Ghostwriter.
Revenue of $65.1 billion for Alphabet.
Hell yeah.
Beat.
They even had a Hood run up with a freaking wedge.
Oscar Golf Lima, HOOD, Robinhood. Robinhood reporting a loss of $2.06.
BRPM starting to pick up a little bit here in after hours, 1165.
$1.36. Robinhood.
You were up 50% on a Robinhood call. Good job, dude.
Estimate for Hotel Oscar Delta, HOOD.
Can I get the actual? Wait, what? Oh, leaked document.
There's a Robinhood selling off here, $36 the low, down $3.57 at the low for Hotel Oscar Delta, HOOD.
Whoa, Hasbro is it's morphin time.
Alphabet, good.
Hold on. It's morphin time. Power Ranger NFTs, the first, but not likely the last from Hasbro. Don't sleep on that. I'm getting
GOOGL. Robinhood says, in the absence of any changes to the market environment.
Oh, it's dumping hard.
We believe this may result in quarterly revenue no greater than $325 million in
186.30
revenue.
186 even.
$1.8 billion. That's Hotel Oscar Delta. TWTR Twitter reported.
Oh my God, Twitter! Just I love earnings wicks. I don't know why, man. They just gas me up. Oh man, now it's like not. I think
Twitter reported a loss.
You sent an alert on SP
54 cents. Tango Whiskey, Tango Romeo.
Oh wow. Supercom SPCB in after hours here.
15 cents in earnings for.
Oh my God. SP. Yo, that's that was
$1.28 billion. Is just short of the $1.29 billion estimate for Tango Whiskey, Tango Romeo. Twitter, TWTR.
That was sick. I just grabbed a little bit.
FFIB, F5 Networks reporting $3.01.
This is a good time to just clear my charts off. Yo, look at Google. I'm grabbing a little bit more with you, Georgie, on supercomputer. Like speculatively only, though. I'm not trying to.
The estimate was $2.75, so that's a beat for F5 Networks. Revenue of $682 million.
Nice.
Is a beat for Foxtrot India Victor.
Oh no, Georgie.
NCR reporting 69 cents.
On
revenue of $1.9 billion.
Google.
The estimate was 64 cents. That's a beat on earnings.
All right, I'm gonna go back to tweeting all this out.
Short of the $1.99 billion estimate for NCR. FBHS Fortune Brands reporting $1.45. Foxtrot Bravo Hotel Sandy.
There's a channel where all of my tweets come in if you guys want to see that. So
the estimate was $1.39. That's a beat. Sales at $1.99 billion. is a beat for Foxtrot Bravo Hotel Sandy FBHS. Letter V, Visa. Visa reported $1.62. The estimate was $1.54. That's a beat for letter V. Revenue $6.6 billion.
Looks like it's still gonna dump.
Letter V, Visa.
Hold on. It's got to bounce here in after hours, or they're gonna sink it. I would say 228.50. V, please. He has a MasterCard.
AMD Ameriphase reporting $5.86.
Twitter says continue to grow total revenue. Continues to expect total revenue to grow faster than expenses.
The estimate was $5.48. That's a beat. Revenue $2.9 billion is short of the $3.57 billion estimate for Alpha Michael Papa.
TikTok says U.S. lawmakers tells U.S. lawmakers it does not give information to Chinese government. Says data is safe.
COF Capital One Financial reporting $6.86. The estimate was $5.38. That's a beat. Revenue $7.8 billion, also a beat for Charlie Oscar Foxtrot COF. BYD Boyd Gaming. Boyd Gaming reports $1.30.
Wow.
The estimate was $1.25. That's a beat for Boyd
Yo.
Gaming. Revenue $843.1 million. It's also a beat. That's a beat on earnings and revenue for Bravo Yankee Delta BYD.
I'm removing everything from all of my drawings from my charts. All of them. Delete. All of them. Goodbye. Goodbye.
MASI Massimo reporting 94 cents.
Yo, a ton of QQQ calls coming in after hours.
The estimate was 91
Same with
cents.
SPY.
307.4 million is a beat for Michael Alpha Standing India MASI.
All right, supercomputer just wicked up and hit my stop. So
FBHS Fortune Brands cuts their guidance.
I'll cut it right below the 120 120 mark.
Hotel Sandy.
Buy baby shares.
AMBA Ambarella
Under my
will acquire Cooley. That's Alpha Michael Bravo Alpha. Both boards of directors have approved the transaction. That's Alpha Michael Bravo Alpha AMBA with that acquisition announcement.
What's up, man? Wow. Earnings season's wild, man. Google's probably going to open flat the way that it's moving right now. So, highlights, I think Twitter did okay. So average international monetizable DAUs 174 million, up from 152 million. Wow. I think, yeah, Visa is holding, but I don't like the setup right now. it needs to. I'd like to see it tomorrow make a significant push up and out of this zone here. Otherwise, it could fall back down. All right, so wow, 202 billion was the expected on Hood, and they put out 1.8. SPCB, yeah, a little spike there. Pull back down. All right, well,
CSGP CoStar Group reporting 25 cents. Sandy Gulf Papa.
seeing a lot of price spike down to SSSS, PAGP. Wait, hold on, PAGP.
Revenue of
What is this stock?
499 million. That's a beat for 20 Sandy Gulf Papa CSGP.
Weird. Okay. Canadian Solar popped here. Yeah, Microsoft's kind of fluctuating. Again, that's going to be on a watch list tomorrow too, especially depending on where we open up.
There's a Twitter now at 61.43.
You mean the close? SPCB seeing a little wick up here. So is SIA, but I do not like the price action on SIA.
Highs 312.43. Michael Sandy Foxtrot Tango.
I'll add the SPCB in after hours if it moves back down.
AMD, Advanced Micro Devices, Advanced Micro Devices reporting
There we go.
73 cents.
Ooh, oh.
On revenue of $4.3 billion.
Monthly active users on Hood rises 76% though.
For Alpha Michael Delta, AMD, JMPR, Juniper Networks reported 46 cents on revenue of $1.189 billion.
Oh man. Okay, wow. AMD showing out again. Hey, ouch.
That's in line. Revenue coming in short of estimate for Juliet November Papa Romeo JMPR.
See what it does.
AMD sees Q4 revenue of $4.5 billion.
Supercomputers moving up.
That's Alpha Michael Delta, AMD.
I haven't seen AVP. I haven't. I tweeted out all of this information though, or all of these earnings. The link is in my bio if you guys are watching. For a small account, Neo's good. The premiums are pretty good. Right. So Microsoft's still holding up here in after hours, making its way up. Interface. Canadian Solar was pushing a second ago. Yo, Microsoft, baby, 325 to probably the yeah,
Is now
yeah.
to the highs 313.89. Michael Sandy Foxtrot Tango.
Microsoft, man.
PFD and BNTX.
All right.
FDA advisory panel backs use of Pfizer, BioNTech, COVID-19 vaccine in
Yep.
children aged
Yep.
5
313 was my target, and then now 325 is my price target from here.
X-ray, PFD, and BNPX. AJRD, Aerojet Rocketdyne, reporting earnings of 52 cents. Adjusted earnings of 58 cents.
Oh, let's go Microsoft. I know that's in your, you got that in the port, right? Are you a Microsoft holder?
Sales of 500.
Yeah. Big day. Yeah, Microsoft all-time highs. AMD raises revenue growth guidance from 60% to 65. So that's good. Yeah, they're gonna be a beast. They're one of my homies has been holding from $11. No. Oh, that's right. QS does stuff right.
ACCO, ACCO Brands, reporting 33 cents. Alpha Charlie Charlie Oscar.
All right, so let's go take a look at the long term. Let's go look at the long term on AMD.
The estimate was 35 cents, so that's short of estimate for Alpha Charlie Charlie Oscar, ACCO. UDR reporting adjusted FFO of 46 cents.
So you're telling me AMD hit all-time highs today? So they're gonna pull it back and then let it run back up. That sucks.
329.8 million. That's Uniform Delta Romeo. Estimate was 4 cents in earnings, revenue of 319.9 million. So revenue coming ahead of estimate.
Yeah, when you find out that Mark Zuckerberg loves like Roman and Greek empires and emperors, like, and then you go look at his haircut and then you think about his business model,
UDR.
you know, things just start to get real tinfoil like.
Letter V, Visa raising its dividend.
Ooh.
37.5 cents.
Hey.
V. Coming up at 4:30, the API weekly crude and gasoline.
It's at a place, Georgie. I have a target on Visa, around 260. If it's dude, nice. Yeah, I think it goes to 260.
I was the chart have like 260.9.
Yeah. Twitter, I think Twitter, AMD, and Microsoft. I'm gonna go ahead and write them down because these are looking like some potential top performers here. For and obviously letting them cool down. Market conditions matter, as we've seen after yesterday. But
And tomorrow's going to be something. Microsoft's still going, huh?
yeah, it's still going. I wish it would stop. I want to be a part of it. He looks like he puts ketchup on his steak. I'm just kidding. If anybody does, that's fine. Judgy though, a little bit.
Microsoft shares MSFT hitting highs now, 315.50.
Yo, Microsoft, chill.
MSFT. Shares of Google or Alphabet Following their report, trading down about $4. That's there is a Twitter TWTR trading higher at 62.85.
Oh yeah.
$1.42. That's Tango Whiskey Tango Romeo TWTR. MTDR Matador Resources. Matador Resources reported $1.25.
What happened? Are they pulling back?
Yeah, okay.
The estimate was 96 cents. Revenue of $472 million is a beat for Michael Tango Delta Romeo, MTDR.
Oh my God.
PFG, Principal Financial Group, reported $1.69.
Yeah, for Warren Buffett.
The estimate was $1.60.
Oh my God! What is this? Are these? What is this? Oh my gosh!
FRAF reporting $1.31. Franklin Financial.
They just casually went to 444,000 to 600, and talk about an investment. What? Interphase is still moving, dude. It's absolutely ripping.
FIBK
INN looks like it's going to break support and pull flush here. BRPM is going to fall. I have a target right now of 1085 for a bounce. Yeah, 11 also is another point in which I'm looking to. Also, your SEAH is popping here to a new high of 1183.
I didn't put it in so
I'm still in BRPM too. I trimmed a little bit of exposure on the last spike, but I still have a position there.
66 cents.
Who is that?
Uniform November Charlie, FUNC.
FUNC. SENS, excuse me, is also ripping in after hours. Somebody said that a little bit ago, but I missed it.
ESNL Personalis publishes new data demonstrating performance and utility of Sherpa for high accuracy neoantigen prediction and cancer diagnostic biomarker development. That's not ascending.
Oh my, yo, SNES. Do we have news on that? SNES. I feel like I hear that one pumps and dumps all the time, doesn't it?
AMZN, Amazon, AWS announcing general availability of Amazon.
Sorry, I turned them down. Oh my God. Wow, that's a serious pump though. Me neither, but 318 would be where I would watch that. Okay, so I'm gonna write that down. Who you got tracking? This is Casio and Sleeper Man. The song is called Passing By.
what the hell happened to that company?
The who?
That Buffett.
EVGO partnership. I just heard Amazon. Yo, EVGO, absolute massive spike here in after hours.
Amazon, you said?
Yeah, I'm looking for specific news on that one, but I gotta go ahead and settle it. I don't know if we'll see what it looks like. I gotta go look at the hourly setup before I just. There it is. Okay, sorry, I had them turned down. Also, supercomputer curling back up as well.
announcement.
Oh, $11. Oh, slow the f- down, Microsoft. Chill, bruh. Twitter is going too. So Twitter, Microsoft, and you guys saw. So somebody actually commented, and they about my NVIDIA video that I did a while back, which I didn't catch it, so still kind of sucks. But um, that's the same target finding method that I used for NVIDIA is the same one that I'm using to find Microsoft, Visa, targets. So really good, fundamentally sound companies that establish really solid trends that you're able to track through standard deviation channels, which then gives you the ability to factor in time, price action into a potential target. So, uh, yeah, well, nice job on Visa dividend raise there.
R&D bridge.
EVGO. Okay, so yeah, EVGO highlights opening new electric vehicle charging station of 6 new company public direct current fast chargers at Lloyd King Center. That's in Colorado. They're trying to. I see. SPCB popping back up here. So the NVIDIA one, what'd you say? I know. I don't want to talk about it. No, I'm not in Visa. How long after earnings would I wait to touch hood? Uh,
One day.
One day in the future, I have no idea. I gotta be honest with you. I don't know if I like as far maybe a good bottom buy. I would be looking at like psychological numbers. But really looking at the price action, I want to see a good solid bounce off of either its lows or it flatlines. A lot of the times, if it just is sitting and everybody's forgot about it, you scoop it up then. So, SPCB spiking up here, going for that wick fill. Microsoft. I'm gonna destroy. I'm gonna uninstall Windows if this thing doesn't stop. That'll do it. But anyway, the NVIDIA was just a part of a charting session that happened like last week. You said
The estimate was 47 cents for Tango Robbie Michael kilo.
link in my bio for YouTube and Twitter if you guys need any of the information that you guys hear out. I'm tweeting it. So, oh, I saw BRKA. I've never tried to play options on that one. Do you imagine?
Yeah,
The American Electric Power.
So crazy.
I have like fractional shares. I don't have shares.
Yeah, you gotta be in the upper echelon.
To sell.
I don't know. Maybe it's just trading view. I'm gonna see.
For
Because I don't think it's something like
2.846 billion entity
Yeah.
value that's out by Echo Papa. AEP.
Oh my God. Lockheed Martin. With a really, really big drop here from look at the weakness in those candles. They ran that thing up into earnings like nobody's business. Oof. Yeah.
Why? You played it before, you remember?
GRY.
DGRY, Digital Live. DGRY.
That's right, I have. Oh wow.
$1.33.
I need to pull back. Damn it. What do we got news on that one?
Yes, it'll be $1.32. That's a maybe for Alpha Papa, Alpha Micro.
You know what it does though? A lot of the times when it leaves a supply zone, and trends down, it'll do a sharp spike up to the previous zone, which is right here, 160, and then just flatline again or dump. So that one does pump a lot and dump, unfortunately. I wish I would have caught that. It's actually one that, like I was saying, like when it trades flat, a lot of the times it's a good like bottom line for a good spike like that. Yeah, I'm gonna actually go and try and find that NVIDIA video. I got 25 bucks. Somebody else finds it though. 30 bucks.
So we finished from social media, right? So anyone tomorrow you can start accumulation if you want with Snap or Facebook. I personally added Facebook today, so I'm up by 1%, I think, on my equity.
Nice. What earnings do we have coming up tomorrow? Also, what data do we have as well?
Tomorrow you've got EF for General Motors, Coca-Cola, Twilio, Spotify, McDonald's, eBay, TVAL,
iRobot, Craft.
Upwork.
Ooh, Upwork. I haven't played that one in a long time. Ooh,
Yeah.
the price action on it's gotten really, really bad. That used to be really fun stock to trade. Looks really bad right now. I think that one falls. Just looking at the chart, yeah, it looks like it's gonna fall down.
Freelance platform, and mostly they opened up, so I think they might be they might be affected. Because
Yeah.
most of the countries they are opening up.
There you go.
TRTX, 49 renewal, trading $13.81.
TREX. Is that what he said? Trex? I don't think that's what he said.
METX maybe.
CRTX.
Trial investable library at point. Is now Summers disease and we're selling off beer shot here $1.60 below trucking. Romeo Tango X-ray CRTX. IEX. IDEX reporting $1.51.
Do you see this?
Sales of $12 million for India X-ray IDX.
$57 to $13 in one candle.
For India Echo X-ray IDX.
F5 network they have the earning and they are spiking up as well.
API group build up to 0.318 million.
Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and tweet out the NFA's earnings as well. Already came out, but
Why Sunrun is up after hours to the sun?
NFA's. Solar sector could be affected tomorrow.
So again, we've got Sunrun.
FSL, First Solar.
Fuel cell, maybe.
Yeah, I mean, nah. I was gonna say Tesla. What about what is that one called? Nova? Is that it? Yes, Nova. Sun Nova Energy. Ooh, look at that one. Look at that one. That one looks like it's ready to rip. Okay. Ooh, damn. Building a huge supply zone. Or demand, excuse me. Sorry. Yo, that one has a nice $42. Above 42. 43.63.
Yeah,
What'd you say?
the gaps in most of hours.
Yeah. So I'm writing. I actually really like the Nova setup. I like that one a lot. I don't know. First Solar is a little bit kind of not that. I don't really like that setup. Being at highs You know what I mean? Like the double top look, and you actually have earnings. That's on October 28th. So anyway, yeah. ServiceNow also, Xilinx, another semiconductor, um, has earnings as well. Lending Club, is that Etsy?
Let's see the link club, right?
Hog, Hog, HOG. Do not sleep on Hog. Mm. Oof. Yo, that one, that looks rough.
EGLY, Digital Ally shares giving a pop here, $1.60 after hours now, up another 40 cents.
Tell me why, Charlie.
EGLY.
See ya. Guys, make sure to follow my Twitter if you guys want to tweet me there, comment on anything, or tag me in the Discord, something like that. The link is in my bio for all of those things. So, you know what? I would really like to see Microsoft pull back and settle on top of 313. Would be really, really good.
Keep going.
Yeah. So I don't know how I feel about swinging Nova, but if we have momentum in the solar sector, I would day trade it because I don't want to now that we have a couple of other solar companies. Good, nice job on Microsoft pullback. There we go.
Okay.
Yes, that's what I want. I want it back down a little bit. I wonder if TDoc is it easy if that one's going to sink.
And do you think they have earning tomorrow after the
Yeah, I wonder if that would affect Zoom.
Zoom?
Yeah. Zoom has an hourly bearish flag, kind of. Hold on. More or less just bottom.
It's not enough that Zoom are down. What you want more? Spy on the cues like Google scrolls when the one.
You mean an after? Same, yeah. I just saw like one small amount put into 375 puts, but those look like more hedges.
$500 billion.
381, 381, 381, 300K, 400K, 300K for 1029, 381 calls. And display 457, 600K for 29th of November.
Is it easy to start and learn? No. I mean, the concepts aren't terribly hard. It's you, or not you, but like usually it's the person executing. The execution is crucial. Oof. Yo, IINN. It's absolutely perishing right now.
I ran a lot today, so
Fiverr or FFIV.
five.
That one's up at 213 right now, gapping up after earnings. So I wonder if you get a gap and go on that one.
RC Range Resources reported.
Funny it is, the earning per share, Twitter missed it.
A loss
And
of
this
$1.44.
case holding up. Snap and Facebook did beat, but they sank.
Damn. I think to wonder if Twitter's guidance.
Estimate was earnings of
Yeah.
53 cents, may not compare.
EVGO to participate in Roth Capital and NGO Sustainable Climate Tech webinar October 27th.
Shifted it to 52 cents on Range Resources.
And yeah, pull back.
Mm-hmm.
That repetitive
Which was the flag?
revenue of $795 million is ahead of estimate on.
Today.
Have a good night, everyone.
All right, man. Have a good night.
Take care.
Oh my gosh.
MSFT, Microsoft, the company's CFO says Xbox and Surface supply chain issues will continue.
All right. Well, I think that's about it for me too, as well. Hopefully you guys had a good day. A little bit of choppy weather with a couple of the setups that I was looking at, but definitely admins kicking ass today. Couple of really, really good plays to the upside. So it is Tuesday. I might just do Discord as far as after hours recap or charting. So I will let you guys know. And I will tag you guys as well. So more than likely, I'll stream that on TikTok so that way people can see. But primary focus is to take your guys' request. So let you guys know what time that is and when I'm planning on hopping on, and I'll see you guys after hours. All right, see you guys. Peace out. Okay, so those of you, is your whole ribbon indicator the free version on TradingView? It's by Insilco. Go look up Insilco. That's where you're gonna find it. So, all right. Yeah, I like to confirm the 1 hour and the 1 day.